What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So Tesla over the long holiday weekend here had a couple of big announcements, probably none bigger than the new lease buyout arrangements that you can get. We'll touch on that here in a second, but just the other night, Tesla announced what the holiday update for 2024 would entail, and it is a lengthy one. Some of which were features that we've always been waiting on and hoping for, some of which are still absent, like a 360-degree camera view, which for some reason Tesla still doesn't want to implement, but not here nor there. We'll touch on the holiday update in a future video. This one is specific to the awesome changes to lease agreements. We have historically been against leasing Teslas just due to our personal experiences in the past, and those videos are on the channel if you want to check it out, but really holistically the issues were they nickel and dime you for everything. It's just not a great value. If you buy FSD supervised or FSD beta at the time, it was good money to bad use unless you technically really did like trading in your car every year or two or three to actually get a new vehicle. Now, they have announced that you can now buy out your lease if you wish. And not only do they announce you can buy it out, but this is retroactive. So if you have a leased Tesla right now even, you should be able to go into the Tesla app under financing and look at end of lease options, and you can find a buyout option there as well. This is awesome for people that might have leased their vehicle, maybe it was their first one, and really like it and want to keep this one instead of having to give it back. So basically what a lease buyout is say for instance you hypothetically leased a Model 3 for 2 years, 12,000 miles each a year or annually. And at the end of those 2 years, what you would have had to done up until this past week was just give your keys back and trade it back into Tesla, wipe your hands clean, you're done with the vehicle. Now, at the end of those terms, and technically even now if you wanted to at any point in your lease, you can go in and look to find your buyout price. When you do that, there is a small fee. I believe it's right under $400 for the buyout. This is nothing new. Every manufacturer traditionally does this. And you can actually get the vehicle and buy it and keep it yourself. This will lower your payments because obviously you had been paying on it for 2 or 3 years before when you leased. So your actual price to purchase will be less than if you go buy a new one. Kind of common sense there, right? What's really nice about this too is there's a lot of people that lease them and still want to customize their vehicles, and technically this isn't allowed. Whether you change your rims up, put tint on it, redesign it, put a body kit on it, it's not yours, right? So Tesla is notorious for always nickel and diming customers when they go to return this with even window tint, speaking from experience here, where they try to charge you to have that removed. Luckily, that is not a concern anymore. If you know for a fact at the end of your lease you're going to keep it, you're good to go. Customize it as you wish, as it will be your vehicle. Very nice, easy to see, and great timing to make this announcement for the quarter end push for year end. Now, with all of the incentives for supercharging FSD betas, or FSD supervised as they call it now, being given for 30 days at a time here and there, plus the new referral program, you can get a great deal on any vehicle in the fleet. These leases are actually available for the Cybertruck too now. If you're thinking about getting one of those, they just lowered the money factor. So the prices on those are pretty reasonable as well. There's a lot of great incentives and timing to get a Tesla now. We'll throw our affiliate link up down below. If you do choose to use it, we greatly appreciate it. It helps us out. That money goes right back into Tesla supplies, or it actually might go towards a future vehicle now as well. So if you get a 3 or Y, you will get $1,000 off of your purchase price. S, X, or Cybertruck, $2,000 off of your purchase price as well. Pretty awesome. Definitely good to see. Let us know. What do you think about these new lease changes that Tesla has just implemented? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.